Copper on your residential roof is, a great thing, whether it's the gutters or the drip edges or the flashings or sometimes the valley metal, which would be considered a flashing, can also be copper. And the good thing about copper is, aesthetically, it's the nicest metal that's out there. As it ages, it goes from the nice, brand new penny look to a brown look, and then eventually it'll turn like an antique patina green. But copper, if you do copper flashings, a lot of times they'll last for 2, 3, 4 roofs. If it's like a shingle roof, for example, you don't have to pull all the flashings off the next time you go to replace the roof. But anytime you have copper on the roof, then everything else that touches that needs to be copper. And sometimes people don't realize that. So if you have copper gutters, you're supposed to have copper drip edges. If you had copper gutters and drip edges, you would need copper valleys. Because copper, if it touches another metal besides copper, brass, or stainless, then it can cause a chemical reaction over time. If somebody wants copper, we'd love to do copper, but just depends on what they're looking for. But it's the nicest metal. We can solder it. So a lot of times we'll use copper because we're trying to conform the copper in an area where you got to have a seam in it. So where that seam is, we'll come in and solder. Copper is expensive, but it's going to last a lot of times a lifetime or longer. And, it's a, nice looking metal, and it's going to last an extremely long time.